It's me, King Human. Listen up. In this video, I'm giving away two $30 lottery tickets to, who knows, maybe you. Maybe it'll be you. I don't know. You got to watch this video to find out. And also watch this video because I'm going to educate you and get you to think and make money online. Okay, watch this video. Shut up, you annoying me. Okay, listen up, chumpos. This is what's doing. Let me set this down. This is what's doing. I'm amazed at how programmed some of you monkeys are. You're monkeys with car keys and you're programmed for failure. And my job is to wake you up and get you out of your failure dynamic. Who am I? I'm King Human. I was a failure. I was an idiot truck driver and I woke up. So I feel it's my duty to wake some of you idiots up and try to get you to believe in yourself enough to empower yourself. So let me tell you an anecdote, and it's gonna amaze you. Now I wanna see if you recognize yourself in any part of this story. So here's what's doing. I gave a friend of mine a website. I built a website from scratch. Barf, okay, it won't come out, there it goes. I built a website from scratch, and it was making, I don't know, this was a while ago, I think it was making between $1,000 and $2,000 a month with zero effort, all ran on autopilot, zero advertising, and I gave it to a friend of mine who needed money. Now, this is a guy that knows nothing about the internet, or you know, websites or anything technical. He knows nothing about that kind of stuff, which is why I did it for him. But here's the thing that amazed me. I handed him the website. He saw the money coming into his PayPal account every week or every day. He would get money in his PayPal account. Like I said, it was making between $1,000 and $2,000, I think. And I told the guy, look, okay, that's cool, but this is what we need to do to grow your business. We need to advertise. So I said, look, this is what we do. We take $40 of that $1,000 or $2,000 a month that you're making right now for doing nothing, absolutely free. It was handed to him free. We take $40 of that and invest it in some Google ads or some online ads, and I'll show you exactly what to do. I want to walk you through the process so that you'll be able to do it, and I won't have to do it for you next time. Let's sit down, take that $40, invest it in some advertising, and start growing your online website, because this has potential. The guy threw a fit. Oh no, no way. No way, I'm not putting $40. No way, I'm not spending $40. I go, idiot, you're not spending a dime. You're investing. You already have a profitable business. Now, if you reinvest some of your profits, you'll make even more money. Oh no, I can't do that, oh. Now that attitude did two things, actually three things to me. First of all, it pissed me off. Second of all, it amazed me. And thirdly, it made me question how deeply people are programmed these days against their own success dynamic. I can't believe it. Here's somebody that won't reinvest $40 of free money that he's getting in his pocket into making even more money. I mean, I couldn't believe it. So I did a little experiment and I posted a thing on Facebook the other day. And I made a little question. I said, would you spend $200 to make a recurring income of $5,000 a month online? And sure enough, I got some comments of some people saying, oh no, I would never do that. I'm going, holy crap, this is the epitome of someone that has been programmed to be a battery in the matrix all their life. They will not invest in themselves. They will not empower themselves. They are hiding in the corner and not participating in their own success dynamic. They're afraid. And I don't know how people get that programmed to ignore their own empowerment, but it happens. Now let me show you an illustration, because this might put things in perspective. Okay, this is me. I have a phone book. It's pretty thick. Thick phone book. I'm gonna rip this phone book in half. I mean, think I can do it? Check it out. Pretty thick freaking phone book. I can't do it. I cannot do it like this. But yet, I can rip this phone book in half. How? By using my mind. If I take the phone book and open it like this, I can rip it in half. Like that. I've ripped the phone book in half. Now, what is my point here? Certainly, I could not rip the phone book in half the way it was, like this. But what I did was, I changed my thinking, I changed my perspective, and what did it do? It empowered me to do the impossible. Do you get where I'm going with this? Again, all I'm trying to do here is wake up a few of you zombies who have been programmed. You've been programmed by the institutions that are supposed to be good for us, mainly school, that taught us we need to get a JOB, stands for just over broke, and then go out and work for somebody else so that you can make them rich. Why not make yourself rich? And that's my job, to try and teach you guys how to make yourself rich, how to fight the power and put yourself on the throne. All right? Get with the program. So, okay, enough of my lecture. I hope I've gotten some of you guys to open your eyes a little bit and say, wow, this guy, he's got me thinking differently. And I'm starting to get confidence in myself. That's my goal. But I also need to educate you guys on how to empower yourself so you can make your own money. Anyway, let's get to those lottery tickets and see who won. Because I've got 2 tickets to give away, each of them worth $30. Maybe they're worth 10 million. I don't know until I scratch them. We're gonna do it right now. So who won the lottery tickets? By the way, I'm gonna be doing giveaways every week now for a while to see if I can't motivate some of you chuckleheads into doing what you need to do with your life. Okay, so keep watching the videos, keep spreading the gospel of King Human. Okay, enough of my stupidity. First lottery ticket winner goes to Cherie Hansen, who made a comment on the previous video. And the second lottery ticket goes to Gary Dalrymple. Gary Dalrymple, okay? Gary made a comment, hey, I don't want your crappy lottery ticket, dude. I can buy my own scratch-offs. But, by the way, I share your videos. So, dude, you don't want this? You're getting it. Shut up. So now I'm gonna scratch him, and we'll see who wins what. Hopefully somebody's gonna win something. Here we go. Okay, hopefully I got this in camera frame. We're gonna start out with Cherie Hansen's ticket. I don't know how to do that. I never do these. Okay, let's see. We'll start with bonus. I don't know what this means. $300? I don't know what's going on here. Horseshoe. Oh, I see. Okay. If we match these symbols, we get this bonus money. So let's see what's doing here. I don't know what that's... I can't even see what the hell that symbol is. And, what is that? A bowl of rice? What the I don't know what these freaking symbols are. I guess I should put on my glasses. Okay, winning numbers. Let's scratch those first, I guess. First number is 41, 19, 35, 29, 43, 17, 23, 44, and 21. Okay, good luck, Cherie. Oh, wait, is there another one over here? Yeah, and number 1. Wow, we got a lot of numbers going on here. God damn it, this shit's getting all over my table. All right, let's scratch and see if you win. 59. No 59. 32. No 32, there's 23. See how these things tease you? 7. No 7. 22. No, there's a 23 and a 21. Wow, what a tease. These things are a tease. 37. No 37, not even close. 14. Oh, there's a 41. No. God, this is horrible. 15. No 15. Okay, Cherie, this is your last shot. 24. No 24. What a hunk of crap. Oh, there's a bonus on the back. Let's see, a fast 50 or a fast 100. Let's see. I don't know how this works. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Oh, okay. I do this, and it's number 49, and 105, I guess. I don't know what's going on. What the hell? A moon? This is like Lucky Charms. A moon, a clover, I don't understand this shit. A cupcake, a heart, an apple. I don't know what that is. Bells. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I gotta put my glasses on and find out what the hell this is. I hope it. Okay, I put on my glasses. Here's what it's doing. If you uncover a fast 50 here, you get that, or a fast 100 wins here. That neither of those won. And these things here, you have to match a money symbol. And you got coffee, sun, cherry, grape, cupcake, heart, apple, rabbit, and strawberry. Oh no, cherry, berry. I don't know, whatever the fuck it says. Anyway, that's a loser. So let's go on to Gary and see if he wins anything. And hopefully somebody wins something, because this is, all I know is it's getting this shit all over my table. That's annoying. This is so freaking annoying. Okay, what is this? 25 bonus, $25. God damn it. Okay, here's what's going on. The camera screwed up. I was scratching the second ticket for Gary Dalrymple. What the okay. And my memory card filled up, and I didn't notice, and it didn't record any of the scratching. But I already scratched it, so I can't do it again. And I didn't want to cheat by going out and buying another lottery ticket and coming back and pretending nothing happened. So I scratched this ticket. Sorry that you missed out on the suspense, but it won. Check it out. The kid won 15 bucks here. So he got the first number right there, 8, and it matched, I can't see because I'm looking at a little screen, but it got 15 bucks on the first one. None of these other ones won, but he won 15 bucks right off the bat. Woohoo, right? Okay, then on the back there's a bonus, and he won another 15 bucks. So I owe this kid 30 bucks. So I go to YouTube, hang on. I go to YouTube and I look up his channel, click on his name, and I try to contact him. There's no way to contact him. It's a fake account. It looks like a fake account. He's got nothing on that page. Okay, Dalrymple, since you did not want the ticket anyway, and it won, I'm gonna donate that. Well, I'll tell you what, I was gonna donate it to charity, but I'm gonna do something better. I'm gonna give it to Cherie Hansen, the 30 bucks, and I'll donate 30 bucks to charity on top of it, no big deal. So, okay, you did something good. Dalrymple, whatever, okay. So there it is, we gave away 30 bucks, woohoo! You guys won some dough. Okay, here's the deal. I'm gonna be giving away something every week, so I've got a giveaway link down below in the description of this video. Go click on that link and enter the next contest, because what I'm giving away next is $20 bills. Giving away $20 bills is a lot easier than this stupid scratch off shit. It's got crap, these little scratchy crumbs all over my table is driving me crazy. Okay, just click on the link below, go enter to win $20 bills, and my goal here is I'm gonna see if I can get the winners of these $20 bills to reinvest in their own education in making money online. Okay, enough of my rambling. I'm driving myself nuts. This camera drove me nuts. The scratchers drove me nuts. Dalrymple drove me nuts. Everything is making me nuts. I can't take it no more.